Welcome, here I've got Nokia 8.3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first let's tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the location tag option at the third position. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture, the details about it. Also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have access to the map with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.